What's up, twins and friends? It's your boy Kalen Trades back with another video. Hey man, I just wanted to get on here to show you the blueprint on how to scale your funding, how to be able to take your trading to the next level. What is it going to take? It's actually a lot simpler than people make it out to be, and we're going to talk about that today. Hey, really quick before we get into it, go ahead and follow me on Threads, like, comment, subscribe on this YouTube video, and let's get right into it. So first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to propfirmmatch.com because they vet every single prop firm that is out, and they give you the right prop firms to be able to identify which ones are the safest. They tell you the reviews, they tell you how long they've been in operation, they tell you if they have Tradeovate, Tradeify, Ninja Trader, all that stuff. You can also do this for Forex as well, where you can see if they have MetaTrader. Like, you know, this thing is vetted completely. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to get on here and you're going to find a prop firm, go through the rules, make sure that everything is solid. Make sure, you know, for me, I don't like trailing drawdown. For me, I got to be able to trade my metals. I also got to make sure that I can trade the mini contract because I trade a little bit more aggressively. So you have to just make sure, you know, you do that. But let's stay true to the title of the video, and let's just say that we went to Apex. Now, they do have an end-of-day drawdown thing, but they only allow mini. So I'm not using Apex for that reason. But let's just say that you went on Apex. You can either use the Save Now code that takes 85% off of their prop firm evaluations, or you can do it through PropFirmMatch. And that will help me a lot because it shows that, yo, people are clicking on his links, people are utilizing it, and PropFirmMatch will continue to, you know, go through with this partnership. So if you rock with your boy, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and utilize the link, please, man. So what you'll do is you'll go to buy, and it'll take you to this link and it'll give you all the information. And so right here, you'll click apply discount, and then you'll be able to go to using the code match. And so let's just say that we use the code match, and now we're at Apex. So it takes you to Apex. And like I said, what I like to do is end of day trail. Now, this is, you need to know this information to be able to scale completely. So don't stop getting bored, bro. People get bored, bro. I'll be looking at the retention rate. Stop getting bored, bro. Just if you try to get rich, bro, then come on, man. Dang, y'all be so bored, bro. That's why y'all not profitable. Look, I'm sorry, bro. My fault, y'all. Look, my bad. It just had to, you know, say, get that off my chest, bro. Dang, bro. Be like 2 minutes, bro. Like, come on, man. I'm trying to help these people. Y'all clicking off the video and stuff. All right, so I like 50K accounts. I do end of day. I like Tradeovate. So I'm gonna go through with these things. And so you guys see that it's $37. Now it's not quite $27, but it's $37 for what they're doing right now with PropFirmMatch. And so even if you use wealth charts, I don't know what wealth charts is, but whatever, you know. And let's just say that you wanted to do a 25K account. It's 29, not 27, but it's 29. So in a 100K account, 52. Prop firms are not this cheap, bro. So and I also believe that with Apex, it is a one-time payment, and you have to like pay yourself to continue the next month. So it's really cool. So let's just say that you select a plan, you do that, you put in all of your information, and then you're set. You get your credentials. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that 4 more times. So you did it once, you're gonna do it 4 more times. And so what happens is you now have 5 evaluations. What I would do, honestly, this is what I tell my students. What I would do is I would start with 1, get a payout, and then use the payout money to buy more prop firm accounts. I'm gonna tell you how to scale in a minute. Just hang tight, bro. But I would do it that way. That way you're not spending a whole bunch of money off the top. Now, because they do have a big old discount, I do think that, you know, pay what you would a regular prop firm. Like if you're paying $120 for 1 evaluation, then, you know, and if that's in your budget for the month, then go ahead and get a couple of these until it gets to 120. So what you'll do is just say, okay, cool. Let's just picture the future. I'm now funded. I'm funded with all of these things. What you'll do is you'll go to tradesinker.com. They're not sponsoring the video, but they're really, really good. So what you'll do is you'll sign up, create an account. The subscription that you can use is, let me see, let me change. So the subscription that you'll use is, I would start with the $50 one. It's $50 a month, and it allows you to have 2 connections, which means it allows you to trade with 2 different prop firms. And you have 10 accounts per connection. Now, that's where when you're trading futures, you can only have up to like 5 accounts for most of them. A lot of them is really only 3, but you know, you just gotta vet it, right? So you can do that, start with 2 prop firm accounts, run up the bag, and then when you feel like, okay, I'm ready to get funded with 50 prop firm accounts, that's when you'll go to like the flex, the 150, and you know, you'll have unlimited connections, so you can do as many prop firms as you want. You can do all of them if you want, and then, you know, 120 accounts. Like, that's a really good deal for $150. If you're making $150,000 a week, then, you know, it's crazy. So what I want to do, and I didn't plan for this, I want to pull up the calculator real quick just to envision and dream, right? So let's just say that you have, and this is where it gets really, really good. Let's just say that you have 10 prop firm accounts. And let's just say that you took a withdrawal of $500 each. You just made $5,000. So that means every single day when you're funded with all of these accounts, you only need to make like $150 to get $500 after the 5-day period comes up. You just made $5,000 because you got 10 accounts. Okay, let's dream a little bit more, right? So let's just say that you have 20 prop firm accounts. And let's say that, you know what, I'm feeling myself a little bit. I'm gonna try to go for $1,000 withdrawal. You made $20,000, and let's say you went on a win streak. You did that in 5 days. You made $20,000 in 5 days. Where else you gonna do that at? Let's just say that my biggest win streak was 6 weeks. So let's just say that you went on a 6-week win streak. You just made $120,000 in a month and a half. Oh Lord. Okay, let's just say you went on another 6-week win streak. Y'all get the point. I'm just having fun. You made $720,000. Come on, bro. So what you'll do after that, to be able to make sure that, you know, you're getting the best results and getting the best prop firms, you always want to go back to prop firm match to be able to make sure that you're doing the ones that are vetted. So they do have Lucid. So I know a lot of people in my community said, bro, they don't have Lucid, bro. They got Lucid, bro, and it's 50% off, bro. So what I'll do after that is, if you guys struggle with a strategy, I would 100%, you know, get this indicator, bro, because my indicator tells you when to get in the trade. And as you guys can see, we lost 1, 2, 3, 4. We hit 5 in a row. I have a video on how to use the indicator, but it's 5 in a row, bro. So if you feel like you can't afford an indicator, bro, just go to my Discord. I got a lot of DMs to respond to. My goodness. And join our VIP. Do you hear me? Join our VIP. Look, y'all know I'm wrapping up the video because I'm getting distracted. Join our VIP, man. We got 5 coaches. We trade 2 times a day. You can't beat that. Join our VIPs. It's $80, $77 a month. It's $80, but you get a $3 discount, bro. Come on, man. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this helped.